Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks so much for joining me today. Halloween is almost here, and some of you still may need to make some cute treats for your kids, your grandchildren, the kids in the neighborhood. So I thought I would share one last Halloween project with you. Very quick and easy to do. We are going to make a Hershey wrapper for a full-size candy bar. So these are going to go to the special people in your life. And I have a piece of the black and white designer series paper. And we're going to add a little color to the black and white side. You can also use the gray and black side, and you wouldn't have to add the color, but I wanted to add some of this Parakeet Party color in the background to make it look a little more festive. I really enjoy doing the using the blending brushes. It's a great way to add another layer of color on something that might not have it. All right, and this piece of paper is 5.5 by 5.5. That's the perfect size to wrap around a Hershey bar. All right. Now you could go up and down on your bar like this. You could go sideways. I kind of like the sideways stripes. But before we do this, I'm going to add just a little bit of washi tape. I think I'm going to add some orange. We're going to use a little bit of orange in our design. So I thought I'd just do a little orange stripe here, maybe an orange stripe at the top, just to give it a little bit of glitz and glam. Okay, now we are going to take a piece of tear and tape on one side. You could do both sides if you want, but you don't have to. So I'm going to take this and we're going to just wrap it around the back. Let's peel that paper off of the tear and tape. And I'm going to bring this around, kind of press it down a little. Don't break your candy bar though. And then let's see if we can get this, whoops, to line up. Pretty close, pretty close. Okay, I didn't press my washi tape down. Popping back up on me. Okay, cute. All right, we're going to use the Bewitching stamp set. I'm going to add a hat to this and some shoes. Now, the punch that went with this is sold out, but you don't have to have the punch to use this stamp set. Super cute. We are going to just stamp. We're going to have to do a little bit of cutting, but it's okay because it's not, we'd have to cut out the shoes anyway. Okay, I'm just using some black Memento ink. I'll get those shoes, and I'm going to use the polka dot hat because polka dots are my favorite. Love polka dots. Whoops, hello. Let's fit this on here. I'm just using some scrap paper. All right. I'm going to just do a little bit of coloring. We're going to use the Parakeet Party blends. I'm using the dark because I need some nice vibrant color on here. Okay, little stripes on the legs, and then a dark pumpkin pie to do our polka dots. All right. Super quick and easy to color. Not a whole lot of coloring. We're just going to do our boot buckles with that as well. Then we're going to trim this out, and I've already done that. Save a little bit of time. And I cut my legs apart here. And let's pop this up. Let's grab some dimensionals. I'm just going to do 2 because I'm going to tuck my legs in under the hat. We're going to add our hat right about here, and then grab our legs. I'm just going to do 2 dimensionals on each one. Okay. I'm going to have to trim. I left a little extra paper on the legs. Excuse me. All right. Don't need quite that much there. We're going to pop. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. Okay. Now this stamp set does not have words, so you can use any of the words you want. I do have this Best Witches stamp set, and I thought both of these are really cute. So I like this one, You've Put a Spell on Me, since it's a witch. So I've already stamped that. You can just put it on a scrap of white, cut it out, and flag it. I use the, I had some of these left over from the Scary Cute bundle. This is one of the pieces in the die set. But you don't have to have this. You can just do it on whatever you have. I'm going to, might put it, I don't really want to cover the hat, so I'm going to set that there. And then let's just do a little extra bling. So I'm using some Wink of Stella on my polka dots on the hat. That will bring a little extra bling to the center of the card. You could also, if you wanted, I'm just going to do everything I colored just because I can't stop. You could put a little washi on the hat band if you wanted as well. I'd probably put the green washi here, but I think this Wink of Stella is going to look just fine. Make sure I get plenty of sparkle. And that's it. I mean, you could add a few sequins, a few dots if you want. Let's see what we have on the tape on my desk here. Felt like I had some. Well, it's on the floor now. What do I have? Do I have anything? You know what? Let's just look. Let's grab some. We're just going to grab some rhinestones because what I really want are some orange jewels to put on here, and I don't have any orange jewels. So let's just color these orange. I'm going to do, I'm going to do a large, a medium, and a small. We'll do those. You could also color those the green too. But because I have the orange glitter, I think I'll use the orange. Let's grab those. Put one here. We'll put a medium right here. Oh, those stand out nice. All right, let's grab this one. We'll put this one up here. I colored one more by mistake. Let's just go ahead and use it because I won't be using it on anything else. Maybe we'll stick it right on. No, we're going to put it down here. Gonna be consistent. Isn't that cute and sparkly? I love this. Now, if my kids live close, I would probably give these to them. They do not. So I'm going to save this for somebody special. Maybe my husband, maybe not. We'll see. All right. Thanks everybody for stopping by. I will put measurements, supplies, all that good stuff on my blog. If you have not subscribed to my newsletter, please make sure you do that. We're still doing the 12 weeks of Christmas. We have another one posting on Tuesday. So you don't want to miss out on those exclusive projects. All right. Thanks everybody for stopping by, and make sure you check back on Monday. We have a great fun new technique we haven't done before here. So I think you'll like it. All right, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.